In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to layer tracks in order for you to practice your guitar using Amplitude on the iPad. Now, so we have our amp turned on and got some basic settings here, and this is what it sounds like right now. Okay, but we want to record something and then loop it so we can play a solo underneath it for practice. So we want to go down here to this little tape icon here, and that brings us into this screen. And as you can see right here, we're going to have, so that's our first track. So let's record something. Let's do the rhythm first. In order to record, we're going to go down here and we're going to enable that record button right there, and let's just start playing. Okay, so now we have our first track, and you can tell by the 30-second mark. Let's just hit stop on that because it's still playing. Now we want to go back and now add another track. So in order to do that, we want to bring back to 0. But this time we're going to enable another track. So okay, so now we hit the record button on this particular track. Now we can see that we have enabled another track now, but I want to go back and I want to add some effects. So let's go back to our main source here, and we're going to add a little bit of reverb so we can, okay, now let's go back to the record button, and you can see that this channel is ready to go. And now we're going to play our track again, and we're going to hear our rhythm, and then I'm going to play a solo underneath it. So let's do that. So now we did that. Let's listen back to that and see what that all sounds like. Let's go back. So there you go. That's how you do 2 different tracks, just like that. Let's mute that out, and hope you found that useful.